This is Maha.
She is one ugly creature.
You're an ugly creature.
So am I.
He's a pretty ugly creature. That's Momo. Seriously,
And
that's
this
the
is a
third
memory
time.
card. I'm sorry.
Okay, you know what? The memory card is not interesting
No,
anymore.
it's gotta get in. It's memory card. It goes right in here. You take it out and then you put
Just
it
so
in.
the viewers know, he's been practicing.
Look at my face too.
He's been
Yes.
practicing how to put a memory card.
Takes a lot of effort. And Maha is not letting me take her memory card out of the camera. And you're not going in my eye. You can go in my mouth. Gum.
Ew.
It is one green gum.
I have a green one.
We have the same one. We shared.
No, we didn't share.
We did share. Not.
You wish we did.
We did share.
You wish.
Not.
You wish.
I said not.
Me and Moid actually did share.
I know you do.
Because we
want to.
broke it in half because it was the last yummy gum.
Oh, how'd you share it? How'd you break it in half?
We're not gonna go into details.
You might want to.
Okay.
Maha has family.
And does Maha's family need to know how this goes in here? Or not? Anyways, why are you making a video of my hand?
This is bird, guys.
This is not a bird.
I mean, it's not.
have to throw a frisbee at Maha.
Oh. Frisbee.
Yeah. Check out my Facebook, Maha.
No, nobody wants to see your Facebook.
They look.
No, you just want random people to add you.
Yeah. No kidding.
Just so everyone knows he's a Facebook stalker, so don't add him.
So don't add him. Where's this video going again? Where's this video going
Your
again?
face.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ah. काफी हो गया सच्ची में.
Uh-oh, he's standing up. That means something.
अच्छा, Maha.
Are you Sharmai? Mole mole. Oh god, I'm gonna...